itong daig. It's a morning here in Qatar. And as we start our day, of course, kailangan natin mag-cheesy. Organic barley. Ayan. Kailan pa ba natin sisimulang uminom ng barley, diba? Natural, ngayong wala pa tayong iniindang sakit. Saka hindi pa tayo mahihirapan sa pang-araw-araw natin paghahanap buhay. Tingnan ko lang kung wala ng powder sa blood. Okay, good. And here we go. Sarap. Tikman mo naman sa kutsara. Okay, and here we go. Our Chasey organic barley with milk. Yan. Ayan. May gatas pa. Okay, done. Perfect. Our daily booster. Chasey organic barley. Order now.